Do you have a mower deck that sounds pretty worn out? We do. So today I'm going to show you how to rebuild the entire deck and put a new belt on it and make it good as new. We have a zero-turn mower that's been, the deck has been worn out probably for a season or two, and it's time to rebuild it. I purchased all this off Amazon. It's 810 products. This is a Troy built. But it also fits a Cub Cadet, I believe an MTD, and maybe one other brand as well. This has a 50-inch deck on it. There's a smaller deck. So it comes with all the new spindles, comes with the pulleys, the cuttings, the blades, and then the belt, the whole kit does. So it's pretty handy being able just to rebuild the whole thing. So. Take our pulley off, and we're going to want the protruded part down, and that pulley is just shot. I replaced those two pulleys, but I'm going to go ahead and replace them again. So I think it'd be a smart thing to do. Okay, and the little part that's extended past the pulley, that's going to go down. Okay, so we're going to take our new spindles, and that comes with the bolts we need. Comes with brand new pulleys, and everything's nice and tight. Okay, and one thing I should mention, on each one of these spindles, there is a grease zert. So these are greasable. Once I get them on, I'm going to go ahead and throw some grease in them. Just to make sure. I'm not sure if they came from the manufacturer with grease or not, but we'll go ahead and get that taken care of. Go ahead and plop our first one in here. So on those, with the steel going into the aluminum, you want to make sure that you get it started fairly decent, because otherwise you might have an issue with it cross-threading. You're going over tight because you'll either strip out the aluminum or you break the head off. Okay, got those done. I'm going to go ahead and take the protectors off, and I'm going to go ahead and run a little grease in them. Okay, so on the blades, we're going to go ahead and this little arrow down. We're going to put that down or towards the deck. And it also says grass side, so I guess that's helpful too. Okay, we get those on, and we're going to go ahead and put our nuts back on. I'm going to cinch those down. Before I put on the covers and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and get my belt in place. So obviously, there is a diagram on the unit itself on how to place them. So I'm going to go ahead and put the covers back on. Unfortunately, our belt is too long. It's just like an inch too long, and I read that on a few reviews. I'm going to go ahead and order a new belt for it. Like I said, I've seen a few reviews that the belt is actually just a little bit too long, and so I knew that kind of going into it. My guess is that belt is probably for a 52-inch deck. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see how she does. It sounds just as good as it was when we first got it. So having the new deck all completely rebuilt after it's probably hit who knows how many, numerous rocks and everything else and pieces of wood. It's finally back in shape and we can start mowing again. And so I hope you enjoyed the video.